This is part one of endurance camping. I don't know where I'm at. The rest of my company is missing. I don't see him anymore. He's way down there. The rest of the company is way up ahead. It's pretty chilly. It's 4:20. But I guess I'll re-inform you when we get to the campsite, if we ever find it. Alright, I've caught up to couple of the people in my company. There's no one back there. We lost one guy. Don't know where he is. Not even sure if we're on the right trail.
I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. I got no gun. I got this box of ammo. I ain't got no gun.
We got no guns. We just got ammo boxes. We're gonna have to throw stuff at people if it comes down to it. At least we know we're still on the blue trail. I'll check back in, hopefully, when we reach the campsite. Made it to base camp, set up the tent. Got rained on pretty hard, soaked. It's raining right now, it's starting to get a little breezy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it through the night.
What?
It's vlog number 4. Got a fire going, stopped raining. Still don't know where Warren is. He's around here somewhere though. Hopefully we survive the night. The bears don't get us. The fire stays warm. We got a couple ketchup packs to eat. And some Coke, we'll be alright.
Feel your poop come out.
We found Warren.
A few seconds later, you hear it hit.
It's really deep.
It's super deep.
Alright, well we found Warren, guys, and he says that he found portage on. It's got a deep hole in it, so he's safe. It's really beautiful out. I don't know if y'all can see that out there. Beautiful out here. Alright, we're on our second trek back to the car to get the rest of the supplies. It's not raining this time. Got Warren with us this time.
We're completely out of ammo now too.
We're out of ammo. We found some guns for our ammo. Shot it all. We need to go get some more ammo now. So I can't flip this camera, but this is where we are, middle of nowhere. Where are we? Whoa. This tree. Look at this tree. It's a Harry Potter tree. Harry Potter. Alright, I think this is vlog number 8 now. I think we're just about to the halfway point. We're probably at the 3/4 point on the way back to the vehicles. I've just got Justin with me. We've lost Warren again. He's like 2 turns behind us. I don't even know where he is. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where we are, but we out here and we getting it. We walking 7 miles. Well, we made it through our night of camping in the woods. Got a little dirty. Watching the sunrise. Sunrise and the moon set. Everyone's still sleeping. Early bird gets the worm.
enjoying the wilderness. It's like the niggas in the Bible did.
Beautiful.